Understanding wearing a white belt in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might have heard in conversations or seen in writings. Wearing a white belt. It's a metaphorical expression with a fascinating background. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Initially, let's talk about the literal aspect of wearing a white belt. In martial arts, a white belt represents the beginning level of a student's journey. It signifies someone who is new to the practice, having the least experience among their peers. This is a universal symbol in many martial arts disciplines around the world. Moving beyond the literal, wearing a white belt is often used metaphorically in English. It describes a situation where someone is new to a field or activity, regardless of their age or experience in other areas. It emphasizes the beginning of a learning process, a willingness to learn from scratch, and an open mind towards gaining new knowledge or skills. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used in everyday English. In a job setting, someone might say, "I'm wearing a white belt in digital marketing," indicating they are new to that area of work. When trying out a new hobby, you might hear, "I'm wearing a white belt in gardening," suggesting they are starting and eager to learn more about it. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in expressing humility, eagerness to learn, and the beginning of a journey in various contexts. Using wearing a white belt in your conversations can add depth and clarity, especially when you want to express your novice status or appreciation for the learning process. Here are a few tips on using it effectively. Emphasize your openness to learning. When you're new to something, this phrase beautifully conveys your readiness to absorb knowledge. Highlight the journey aspect. It's a great way to remind others, and yourself, that everyone starts somewhere, and the focus is on the journey of learning. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of wearing a white belt in the English language. Whether you're starting a new job, picking up a new hobby, or learning a new skill, remember that being a white belt is just the beginning of an exciting journey of growth and discovery. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget to enjoy the process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.